What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phone Stein, and this here is the Vivobook S, and this is from Asus, and this here is the S510UN, and to be particular this is the BQ217T. Now this here is a brand new laptop lineup from Asus featuring the 8th generation Intel Core processor. So this model particularly here, what I have is the i5-8250U. It comes with 8 gigs of DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable, a terabyte of hard disk, a full HD display, but you have very small bezels, making it really good. And this bad boy here has the Nvidia MX150 2 gigs GDDR5 graphics card. Now the overall performance is said to be like 20 to 30% more than your previous generation of Vivobook S series. Let us unbox this and have a first look. Make sure you subscribe because the gaming review and the in-depth review of this will be coming soon. Now as for the box, this is actually pretty small, and it is actually really, I think the packaging is good, so kudos to Asus for that. Now unboxing this, opening up the box, we are greeted with your slogan or whatever you call, and here you have your laptop. Form factor of this laptop is really small considering this is a 15-inch laptop. Now let me just keep that aside for a moment. You get your paperwork, and then towards this side we have your charging accessories. So you have a wall brick, and here you have your actual power cord. Now first impressions, this laptop is really light, and the form factor is again really small considering this has a 15.6-inch display. So let's just take a look at the ports. You have 2 USB ports, your SD card reader, USB-C port, which is actually not Thunderbolt, and then you have your DC in, another USB 3, HDMI, and your headphone jack. Now anyways, opening up, to be honest, the first impression is that this laptop feels really professional considering the size and how well it is built. Now anyway, we are not going to know about the performance or how long the battery will last unless we test it out, but until then I think first impressions is a huge positive from me. Now I think it's time to test this bad boy out and see how well it performs in day-to-day tasks like gaming, maybe even video editing. And if whatever you guys want to see, definitely let me know and I'll make sure that happens as soon as possible. Anyways, thanks for watching, and this is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.